Hello and welcome to this video. In this video, I'm going to give you a quick overview across the whole of the Power BI service. So I'm going to connect to some data. We're going to put that data into a report and then publish that report to the Power BI service so that it can be shared and viewed on the web and also on mobile app. To begin, I'm going to launch the Power BI desktop. This is the icon on my desktop. If it's the first time you're launching it, it can take a while to open up, so please be patient. So just double click to launch it. When the Power BI desktop launches, you are presented with this screen. You have this screen here that says welcome to Power BI desktop. Basically, it's asking you to provide some information where it can send you latest tips and tricks for Power BI. So if you want to do that, just fill in the relevant details and then just click done. If you have already got a Power BI account, you can skip that. I've already got a Power BI account, so I'm going to click on this option here, this link that says already have a Power BI account, sign in. So I'll click on that link and that will present me with this sign in option. So I'm just going to add my username there for Power BI. I'll click on sign in. It will prompt me for my Power BI password. So I'm just going to enter my details. Now that I've entered my password, I just click sign in. Once you sign in to the Power BI desktop, this is the screen you'll see. This interface here, you can uncheck this box if you don't want it to show this screen each time you start up, but I'm going to leave the checkbox on. So the first thing we want to do is get some data. So click on this link here that says get data, click on that, and it's going to give you this get data option. You can pull data from different sources in Power BI. So if you want to work with different types of data, databases and so on, you can connect. But to make things simple, I'm just going to connect to a simple Excel data that I have already prepared. This will be available for you to download. So I'm going to click on, I've got that selected. I'm then going to click on connect. Okay. And then it's going to give me where to pick the data from. So I've now browsed to my desktop. This is the file here. I'll click on that and click open. What happens? The Power BI desktop connects to the Excel spreadsheet and then shows the data that is within the spreadsheet. So I'm going to click on this that says financials. You can see here, it then displays the content of that sheet. What you need to do is just check the box, click to check it. And then on the bottom here, there is an option to load the data. So click on load and that will load the data into the Power BI desktop. So we'll give it a few minutes to load the data. The Power BI desktop, after connecting to the Excel data, then reads all the rows of data in the spreadsheet. So if we look on this right hand side here where it's got fields, if I expand this here, we should be able to see these are all the columns that were brought in from the Excel spreadsheet I loaded. I'm going to end this part of the video here. In part 2, we are going to build some visualizations and some charts based on this data we have connected to. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.